Ever wondered how some YouTube channels get thousands or even millions of views without showing their face, using their voice, or revealing who's behind them? These are called YouTube automation channels, or faceless channels. In this video, I'll explain how you can start your own YouTube automation business step by step. I'll also share tips to avoid common problems like burnout, using the wrong tools, or struggling to stay consistent. Let's make sure your journey is a smooth and successful one. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Let's start with some key YouTube terms you need to know to understand how you can earn money. First, before starting a YouTube automation business, you should know what is CPM. CPM is how much advertisers pay to show ads on YouTube. Then the second thing is RPM. RPM is how much you earn for every 1,000 views on your channel. The third thing is watch time. Watch time tracks how long people watch your videos. It's super important for growing your channel. Next is the click-through rate. Click-through rate percentage of people who click on your video after seeing the thumbnail. Knowing these terms will help you set up your channel for success and grow faster. If you want to learn more about any of these topics, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will create a separate video on it. YouTube automation is all about delegating tasks like scripting, video editing, thumbnail design, and voiceovers. While hiring freelancers from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork is an option, it can be costly when starting. Instead, automation tools and AI software are game changers to kickstart your channel affordably. Here are 6 free tools to make it happen: CapCut and Filmora. These are easy-to-use video editing apps that help you make awesome videos with cool effects. Canva, a simple tool to make eye-catching thumbnails that will make people want to click on your video. vidIQ, this helps you find the best topics for your videos and helps more people find them. ChatGPT, a smart tool to quickly write fun and interesting scripts for your videos. Pixelbay, a website where you can get free videos and sounds to make your content better. Clipchamp turns your scripts into voiceovers with AI, making it easier to add voice to your videos. Start by choosing a topic you're interested in or one that has good potential. Some popular topics include business and finance, education, marketing, technology. Avoid choosing popular topics like meditation sounds or reaction videos. Instead, use tools like Social Blade to check out other channels and see which videos get the most views. This will help you come up with new ideas and make your channel stand out. If you've decided which YouTube channel to start but don't know how to create the perfect one, you can watch my video. I've added the link in the description, and you can also watch it by clicking the I button. After that, you can watch these videos to learn how to create AI content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.